Welcome back to Ride Geek, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 American bikes of 2025, all from the iconic Harley-Davidson lineup. We'll explore the design, engine performance, features, technology, safety aspects, pricing, and overall value for money of each model. Let's get started. Number 1. 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra. The 2025 Street Glide Ultra represents Harley-Davidson's commitment to long-haul touring excellence, combining classic design elements with modern technology to enhance both comfort and performance. The Street Glide Ultra features the iconic Batwing fairing, now with integrated LED turn signals, providing a sleek and modern look. The fairing lowers are a new design, shorter yet broader, enhancing aerodynamic comfort and offering integrated storage compartments. A taller windshield and larger adjustable air deflectors improve wind protection, ensuring a comfortable ride in various weather conditions. The new one-piece, two-up seat is thicker for both rider and passenger, increasing seat height to 28.5 inches, and extends back to meet the King Tour POC case, providing ample support for long journeys. The Tour POC, along with the saddlebags and fairing lowers, offers a total of 4.9 cubic feet of cargo space, more than double that of the standard Street Glide and slightly more than the previous Ultra Limited model. Chrome or black tank medallions and saddlebag guards add to its aesthetic appeal. Under the hood, the Street Glide Ultra is powered by the Milwaukee 8117V twin engine, delivering 105 horsepower at 4,600 revolutions per minute and 130 pound-feet of torque at 3,250 revolutions per minute. This engine features liquid-cooled cylinder heads and a centrally located radiator that directs air into the intake for quicker cooling, ensuring optimal performance during long rides. The bike is equipped with a 12.3-inch TFT display featuring the Skyline OS, allowing easy access to infotainment, navigation, and ride modes. The hands-free voice recognition system simplifies navigation with simple conversational commands. Vehicle hold control prevents the bike from rolling on inclines or declines. The audio system includes a 4-channel, 200-watt amplifier and two 5.25-inch fairing-mounted speakers with steel grills, delivering a premium listening experience. Safety features include cornering electronically linked brakes, cornering ABS and traction control, cornering drag torque slip control, vehicle hold control, and tire pressure monitoring. All lighting is LED, ensuring visibility in various riding conditions. The 2025 Street Glide Ultra starts at $30,749. Considering its comprehensive touring features, powerful engine, advanced technology, and classic Harley-Davidson styling, it offers substantial value for riders seeking long-distance comfort and performance. Number 2. 2025 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST. The Pan America 1250 ST is Harley-Davidson's take on a street-focused adventure bike, blending versatility with performance to cater to riders who enjoy both urban commuting and long-distance touring. The Pan America 1250 ST is a street-focused adventure bike featuring 17-inch cast aluminum wheels with Michelin Scorcher Sport tires, enhancing on-road handling. The suspension setup lowers the bike's height, with a seat height of 29.4 inches when equipped with the optional adjustable ride height. The bike maintains a rugged aesthetic with a lighter weight exhaust and a new seat design for improved rider comfort. This model is powered by the liquid-cooled Revolution Max 1250cc V-twin engine, offering 149 horsepower at 8,750 revolutions per minute and 91 pound-feet of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. The engine's design ensures a broad power band, suitable for both city commuting and spirited highway riding. The Pan America 1250 ST includes an up-down quickshifter for seamless gear changes and a 6.8-inch TFT touchscreen display providing access to ride modes and navigation. The suspension features a 47mm Showa balance-free fork and Showa balance-free shock with electronic preload adjustment and manual compression, rebound damping adjustment, offering 6.75 inches of travel for a smooth ride. Rider aids encompass cornering electronically linked brakes, cornering ABS and traction control, cornering drag torque slip control, front wheel lift mitigation, vehicle hold control, and tire pressure monitoring, ensuring safety across various riding conditions. Starting at $19,999, the Pan America 1250 ST presents excellent value for riders seeking a versatile, street-oriented adventure bike with advanced features and robust performance. Number 3. 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. The Low Rider S is designed for riders who crave performance and style, offering an aggressive stance and powerful engine to match its bold aesthetics. The Low Rider S showcases a club-style aesthetic with a raised handlebar, mid-mount foot controls, and a compact fairing. The bike's aggressive stance is complemented by a solo seat and blacked-out finishes, exuding a minimalist yet muscular look. Equipped with the Milwaukee 8117 V-twin engine, the Low Rider S delivers 114 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. This high-output variant is tuned for performance, with a redline elevated from 5,600 revolutions per minute to 5,900 revolutions per minute, providing exhilarating acceleration and top-end power. The bike features selectable ride modes, including road, rain, and sport, allowing riders to tailor the performance to their preference. The analog speedometer with an LCD digital display provides essential information, while all LED lighting ensures visibility. Standard safety features include cornering ABS and traction control, cornering drag torque slip control, and tire pressure monitoring, enhancing rider confidence and safety. With a starting price of $24,199, the Low Rider S offers a blend of classic styling, potent performance, and modern technology, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic yet timeless motorcycle. Number 4. 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout. The Breakout is a muscle cruiser that commands attention with its bold design and powerful performance, making it a standout in Harley-Davidson's lineup. The Breakout returns with a commanding presence, featuring a long and low profile, a stretched fuel tank, and a fat rear tire. Chrome finishes and a digital instrumentation integrated into the handlebar riser contribute to its sleek and modern look. Powered by the Milwaukee 8117 Custom V-twin engine, the Breakout produces 104 horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque. This setup ensures strong acceleration and a thrilling riding experience. The Breakout includes selectable ride modes, an analog speedometer with an LCD digital display, and all LED lighting. The bike's suspension has been retuned with new straight-rate front and rear springs, replacing the previous progressive rate springs for improved ride quality. Safety features encompass cornering ABS and traction control, cornering drag torque slip control, and tire pressure monitoring, ensuring a secure riding experience. Starting at $20,499, the Breakout offers a striking design, powerful performance, and modern features, making it a strong contender for riders seeking a head-turning cruiser. Number 5. 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy remains one of the most recognizable and beloved cruisers in the brand's lineup, combining an aggressive stance with modern performance upgrades while maintaining its legendary aesthetic. The Fat Boy retains its iconic solid disc Lakester wheels, giving it a bold and muscular look. The wide front end and low slung seat, 26.8 inches, create a commanding yet comfortable riding position. Harley-Davidson has refined its chrome finishes, ensuring the engine, exhaust, and front fork shine with classic elegance. The bike's fat rear tire enhances stability, while the updated tank graphics bring a fresh but timeless appeal. The Fat Boy is powered by the Milwaukee 8117 V-twin engine, producing 104 horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse delivers smooth acceleration and impressive highway cruising capabilities. The broad power band allows for effortless city riding while maintaining the necessary muscle for long-distance journeys. Selectable ride modes, road, rain, and sport, provide versatility for various riding conditions. A digital LCD display integrated into the handlebar riser offers a minimalist yet informative interface. All LED lighting, including a signature front headlamp, ensures excellent nighttime visibility. Harley-Davidson has equipped the Fat Boy with cornering ABS and traction control to enhance stability while leaning into turns. Drag torque slip control prevents rear wheel lockup during aggressive downshifts, improving safety and control. The tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, keeps riders informed about tire health, reducing the risk of unexpected flats. Starting at $20,199, the 2025 Fat Boy balances heritage, style, and modern technology. It remains an excellent choice for riders who want a legendary cruiser with contemporary performance and comfort. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best American bikes of 2025, all from the iconic Harley-Davidson lineup. Whether you're looking for a long-haul touring machine like the Street Glide Ultra, an aggressive muscle cruiser like the Breakout, or a classic heavyweight like the Fat Boy, Harley-Davidson continues to deliver motorcycles that honor tradition while embracing innovation. Which of these 5 bikes is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a Ride Geek review. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.